Here's my bike check. So let's start off with the front. Running Shadow aluminum bar ends. They're nice and hard. I like them. Animal De La Rosa grips. Animal Edwin. They're nice and squishy. And Colt D-Hart grips, I think. I don't know. I just put them right there so when I throw bars I don't catch right here on metal. So it doesn't hurt, you know? Because I don't like that. I don't like to be hurt. It hurts. It hurts to be hurt. For my stem, Sunday Freeze top load stem. It's nice and hard. I like that. For my headset, Animal headset, it's nice, smooth, squeaks a little bit, but it's good. It's real good. Animal Barrett forks, they're nice and hard, really long. I like that. I really like that. Cars out there. I don't like that. For my tire, Colt D-Hart tire, tan wall. It's nice and soft and thick. I like when things are thick, you know? It's really nice. For my rim, Odyssey Quadrant rim, Odyssey spokes, and Odyssey Quartet hub. Female axles, of course. I mean, that's how I roll. Seat. King Sexton seat. Of course, I mean, it's so mainstream now. Like, everybody has one, so you have to get a Sexton seat. My seat post. Colt, you know. Rocking the Colt parts. I have everything. I have everything. Everything Colt. No, I'm joking. It's nice and long though. It's like 200 millimeters long. I really like that. It's nice. For my cranks, Sunday Saker cranks, I don't like them. No, not at all. For my pedals, Odyssey Twisted PCs. They're nice and hard. I like that. For my bottom bracket, Shadow bottom bracket. It's good. It's nice. My sprocket, I am running Shadow Scream sprocket, bolt drive. I don't like it. I need to get spline drive. For my chain, Shadow half link, of course. No, I mean, gotta rock the half link. For my back rim, Odyssey Quadrant rim, Odyssey spokes, and some hub I found in my room for my old bikes because I demolished my other hub. And for my pegs, 2 stolen Thermalites on one side, and then on the other side, I have no idea. They're metal on the other side. But I've had both those metal ones for at least 2 years. They're great. They held up great. They're still running good. One of them's long too. I like that. Is that everything? I think that's everything. Yeah. Oh yeah. My frame. I'm running the S&M BTM frame. I really like that. 21 inches. Just think of that. Think of how long that is and how hard it is. I fell in love with it the first time I had it. It was great. It's beautiful, isn't it? I love it. It's great. So, yeah. I think it's pretty nice, you know. I mean, if I say so. It's a pretty nice bike. Nice dialed. It's dialed, you know. Of course it's dialed. I keep all my shit top notch. So yeah. Well, thanks for watching. And like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Get the fuck out of here.